Back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do class 1 EVS chapter number 20. Chapter number 20, and the topic is, title of chapter is safety rules. Safety rules. Students, we should follow the safety rule to keep us safe. So we will study in this chapter about the safety rules. Okay, let us read this chapter. We must follow safety rules all the time. They help to keep us safe. We should follow the safety rules as it helps to keep us safe. Safety on the road. Rahul walks to school. He takes care and always walks on the footpath. He crosses the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing the road, he sees the pedestrian lights carefully. Okay, student, there is a boy whose name Rahul, and he goes to school daily on foot, and he takes care following the safety rules. What he takes care? Student, he always walk on the footpath and he crosses the road at the zebra crossing. He crosses the road at the zebra crossing, and while crossing the road, he always sees the light, pedestrian light carefully. He knows that the red light says stop and the green light says go. Students, he sees the pedestrian light. On the pedestrian line, red light. Whenever red light shows, it means stop. He stops, and when he sees on the pedestrian line green light is there, so he starts to go, and he crosses the road only when the green light tells him to go. So he keeps the safety rules by following this. Safety while traveling, always walk on the footpath. Okay, safety while the traveling. Rahul goes to school by the school bus. After walking on the foot, he takes what? He goes to the school by the school bus. He knows that he must stand in a queue with other children while waiting for the bus. So when he stands at the bus stop, what he keep in mind? He always stand in a queue and never disturb to other and never push any children. So he follows the safety rules. Stand in a queue. He must not get out or get into a moving bus, put his hand out of the moving bus, disturb the driver. And what he follow at the bus? Students, he must not get out or get into a moving bus, and he never put his hand out of the moving bus because it may be the dangerous, and he never disturb the driver. Do not lean out of a moving bus. Student, it's a bad habit to leaning out of a moving bus. So we should not lean out of a moving bus. Now Rahul follows safety rules and therefore he is safe. Now what another safety rule he follows to keep the safe? He takes care that he plays game in a park. He takes care that he always play games in a park or a playground, and he does not climb on windows. He knows that he can fall down and get hurt. So you should always play games in a playground. Don't play on the terrace, don't play on the road. You may cause the accident, and you should not climb on the windows, and because you may fall down or get hurt. Rahul follows all these. So you look in the picture, this playing in the park. He is playing very safely in the park, and in this, do not climb on a window. It's a bad habit. We should not climb on a window because you may get hurt. Rahul and Nikhil go for swimming lessons. They know that they must use a swimming tube as they still do not know how to swim. Students, now Rahul and Nikhil both are the friends, and they go for the swimming and lessons, and they know they should use a swimming tube. Why tube? As they still do not know how to swim. He uses the swimming tube because it is very safe to use the swimming tube, as if you don't know how to swim using the swimming tube. You can look in the picture here. Now have a bath after their swimming lessons. They must not go into deep water, go alone for a swim. What should they follow? What should they keep in mind? Students, they never go into deep water, and they never go alone for a swim, and they always use swimming tube. Neeta is Rahul's younger sister. Rahul's younger sister's name is Neeta. Rahul cares for her. He cares very much for her. How she cares? When Neeta got hurt with a blade, Rahul explained that she must never play with sharp objects like scissors, blades and knives. Okay. When Neeta got hurt, Rahul teaches us, Neeta, you should not play with sharp objects like scissor, blade, knife, because you may hurt. And he also told her that she could not touch electric wires, plugs, sockets and hot irons. These things can cause the harm. And he also told her that don't touch the electric wires, plugs, sockets and hot irons, these things, because if touching all these things, you may get a electric shock. He explained to her that matchsticks and fire can burn her skin. He told to her that these things can burn your the skin. So be careful, Neeta. She must never play with them. We must follow safety rules, so that we are always safe. So students, we must follow safety rules because it helps to keep us safe. Now, first aid. Rahul knows that when someone gets hurt, they must report it to the teacher or any adult immediately. The hurt child must be given first aid. There should be a first aid box in the classroom, home and in car. Students, Rahul know it very clearly that if someone gets hurt, so what should do? They must report to the teacher. They should given the first aid. First aid is a box in which the necessary things are kept. There should be a first aid in the classroom, home and in the cars. Taking help when hurt. Taking help, students, when hurt. Now we will do the practice exercise section number 8. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. We must not play with we must not play with a ball, toy or knife. We must not play with the knife because it is a sharp object and we may get the hurt. Next is, while learning to swim, we must use while learning to swim, what should we must use we must use a blade, swimming tube or scissor. Swimming tube. We must use, students, swimming tube while learning to swim. Next is, tick the correct actions and cross the wrong ones. What are the correct action and what you have to cross the wrong ones? We must get into a moving bus. Wrong. Students, we must not get into a moving bus. We must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Yes, we should keep in mind that we must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Next is, tick the correct answer. We must not touch. What we should not must touch? Electric plugs, pencil box and both. Electric plugs because we may get the electric shock. We must not dash out of the window of a moving bus. Lean. We must not lean out of window of a moving bus. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Here some words are given with the help of word. You have to fill in the blanks. We must always walk on the footpath. We must always stand in a queue. We must student always stand in a queue while waiting for the bus. We must follow. What should we have to follow? We must follow safety rules. We must follow safety rules to keep us safe. Next is tick what we should do and cross the ones we should not do. Tick student, yes, always walk on the footpath. Yes, don't do it, don't climb on the windows and use a swimming tube. Okay, color these traffic lights and fill in the blanks. This is the traffic light and you have to color, and what does each color say? Students, the red light says stop, the red light says stop, and the yellow light say wait, yellow light says wait, and the green light says go. Okay, red light say stop, yellow light say wait, and the green light says go. Green light says go. It's time to do the question answer. From where should we cross the road? Students, we should cross the road at the zebra crossing. And how many lights are there in a traffic light? There are 3 lights, 3 traffic lights. There are 3 lights, students, in a traffic light. Okay, red, yellow, green. Red means stop, yellow means wait, and green light means go. Why should we follow safety rules? We should follow safety rules to keep us safe. Should we play? Should we play with the sharp objects? No, we should not play with sharp objects. What will happen if one takes wrong medicine? Students, wrong medicine will harm us. Now we will learn the difficult words. Safety, S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. Rules, R-U-L-E-S. Footpath, F-O-O-T-P-A-T-H. Zebra crossing, Z-E-B-R-A. Crossing, C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Traveling, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G. Q, Q-U-E, U-E. Disturb, D-I-S-T-U-R-B. Driver, D-R-I-V-E-R. Playground, P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Scissor, S-C-I-S-S-O-R. Blade, B-L-A-D-E, blade. And sockets, S-O-C-K-E-T-S. Matchsticks, M-A-T-C-H. S-T-I-C-K, plug, P-L-U-G. And wires, W-I-R-E-S. Fire, F-I-R-E. First aid, F-I-R-S-T-A-I-D. Adult, A-D-U-L-T. Immediately, I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y. Teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R. And last word is report, R-E-P-O-R-T. So students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.